I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself locked out of your Kraken account, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Kraken login page. Go to the official Kraken website and navigate to the login section. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Kraken account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a password reset link from Kraken. Click the link and follow the prompts to set a new password. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This will help prevent future lockouts. Remember, if you don't receive the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. It is easy to overlook. I hope this guide helps you get back into your account smoothly. Good luck!